So here I am at my old base. Been a while since I've been on this particular adventure. Yeah, I'm sure that's just fine. As long as the wind doesn't blow out of the east, I'm sure that's not going anywhere. Yeah, really like my new chainsaw. Beats that axe, but it drinks a lot of gas. So we have a laser weapon. Let's see, it goes pew pew. There it is. We'll put it in this spot. I need to start making me some target dummies, but I'll practice on this proper here. Doesn't seem like much, but let's see what it does on a actual game animal. Let's see what we have out here. I saw something moving around through the fence. What do we have? A deer trying to get away. Let's see. Oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Hey, you. Oh, really well. Excellent. Kill some of these fish. I like the gold. That one right there. Got him. Yeah. Sure. Piranhas, they're poison piranhas too. They have poison teeth. Not very nice fish. I should have got that deer out of the creek, but wild wolf. Fish eating. Hey, pew. Cool. Crocodile? Yep. Pew. Oh, two of them. Pew. 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 One down. Two down. Make some shoes out of you. Anyway, I haven't tried killing anything with my chainsaw. I'm not even sure how that works. Let's try it. Let's see. Where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? There it is. Down there where the laser goes. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, yeah. That yeah, that did a good job. Yep. But let's see. About a kimono eating a crocodile. Yep. Excellent. Excellent. Hey, pig. Come on, pig. Thought we're having bacon today. That'll do. Anywho.